Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn why price field is mandatory in delivery challan. Suppose you have created a service order and you are sending the material for the service from your store to your vendor. Let me illustrate this to you with an example. Let's consider this service order. I'm opening the service order. Now here, the service is assembly. That means I need to dispatch some material from my store to my vendor. For that, click on view transaction. Now I'll create delivery challan. For that, click on create document, click on delivery challan, enter the relevant details here. Now I'll add the items. I'll enter the quantity which I'm dispatching. Now here the price field is given which I need to enter. Why this is so? You are dispatching the material for the service. So why do you need to mention the price of the goods? So as per the government's rules and regulations, the government should know the value of the items or goods which you are moving from one place to another. Hence, it is mandatory to show the price of the items which you are dispatching from your store to your vendor for the service also. Now there is one more rule. If you do not get this item back in the same form or in the form of finished good or semi-finished good, for the 6 months after creating the document, the government understands this as an invoice to your vendor. Hope now you know why price field is mandatory on delivery challan. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.